Introduction of National Board of Accreditation, Electrical Engineering Department, RCTI Sola, Ahmedabad. What is NBA? The National Board of Accreditation, NBA, India was initially established by the AICTE, that is All India Council of Technical Education, in the year 1994. In order to assess the qualitative competence of the programs offered by educational institutions from diploma level to postgraduate level in engineering and technology, management, pharmacy, architecture and related disciplines which are approved by AICTE. NBA come into existence as an independent autonomous body with effect from 7 January 2010. With the objectives of assurance of quality and relevance to technical education, especially of the programs in the professional and technical disciplines, that is engineering and technology, management, architecture, etc. through the mechanism of accreditation of programs offered by technical institutions. The NBA conducts evaluation of programs of technical institutes on the basis of laid down norms. These may include infrastructure facilities, quality of teaching and learning, curriculum design and review, support services, library, laboratory, instrumentation, computer facilities, etc., which will help the graduates produced by the institutions as per industry requirements. These are the benefits of the NBA: global mobility, increased employability and greater opportunity, better recognition for institutions, continuous quality improvement, improved student performance, attracts employers' attention, a tone of credibility to the institutions, doubled faculty contribution, their better results, better quality assurance to society, smarter students, easy MOU processes. Institute vision: to cater to the technological development of the nation through excellence in technical education by satisfying need of industries and society. Department vision: to impart quality education to prepare competent electrical engineers with high moral values. ગુણવત્તાયુક્ત શિક્ષણ પ્રદાન કરી ઉચ્ચ નૈતિક મૂલ્યોવાળા સક્ષમ ઇલેક્ટ્રિકલ ઇજનેર તૈયાર કરવા. ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યૂટ મિશન મિશન 1: to impart qualitative technical education to the students and inculcating core values in them through optimum utilization and mobilization of institute's resources to enhance their employability. Mission 2: to strengthen linkage with industry, networking with other institutions and organizations by providing various services and conducting demand-driven continuing education and community programs. Mission 3: to strive for becoming a center of excellence, enabling to face the ever-changing and challenging technological environment. Department mission. Mission 1: to provide quality education through progressive learning environment. Mission 2: to infuse technical competencies by enriching their problem-solving skills. Mission 3: to inculcate professional ethics and leadership qualities for employability, startups and entrepreneurship. हेतु: प्रगतिशील शैक्षणिक वातावरण द्वारा गुणवत्तायुक्त शिक्षण प्रदान करવું, समस्या हल करवानी कुशળતામાં વૃદ્ધિ કરીને તકનીકી સામર્થ્ય વિકસાવવું, રોજગાર, સ્ટાર્ટઅપ્સ અને ઉદ્યોગ સાહસિકતા માટે વ્યવસાયિક નૈતિકતા અને નેતૃત્વના ગુણો સમૃદ્ધ કરવા. PEOs, that is Program Educational Objectives. PEOs are the broad statements that describe the career and professional accomplishment that the program is preparing graduates to achieve. PEO 1. Manage own electrical engineering enterprise. PEO 2. Develop proficiency in maintaining various electrical equipments. PEO 3. Adapt the changing technologies to solve the electrical engineering problem for societal needs. Program outcomes, that is POs. POs are statements about the knowledge, skills, and attributes the graduate of a normal engineering program should have. PO1. Basic and discipline specific knowledge. Apply knowledge of basic mathematics, science and engineering fundamentals and engineering specialization to solve the engineering problems. PO2. Problem analysis. Identify and analyze well-defined engineering problems using codified standard methods. PO3. Design development of solutions. Design solutions for well-defined technical problems and assist with the design of systems, components or processes to meet specified needs. PO4. Engineering tools, experimentation and testing. Apply modern engineering tools and appropriate technique to conduct standard tests and measurements. PO5. Engineering practices for society, sustainability and environment. Apply appropriate technology in context of society, sustainability, environment and ethical practices. PO6. Project management. Use engineering management principles individually as a team member or a leader to manage projects and effectively communicate about well-defined engineering objectives activities. PO7. Lifelong learning. Ability to analyze individual needs and engage in updating in the context of technological changes. Program specific outcomes, that is PSOs. PSOs, these are the statements that defines outcomes of a program which makes students realize the fact that the knowledge and techniques learned in this course has direct implication for the betterment of society and its sustainability. PSO1. Maintain various types of electrical equipment and drives. PSO2. Maintain the operation of power systems. PSO3. Undertake the electrification of commercial and multi-storied buildings. If you have any query, please write us on comment box. Thank you.